We are pleased to show you the 2022 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, starter type, motor generator, braking assist, ambient lighting, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, leather trim seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.